we all know Dave Ramsey. People like Dave Ramsey, and not just Dave Ramsey, other smart people, right? We were just sitting, we just went to a conference a couple months back. We're sat by the White Coat Investor.
Yep.
He's very much a proponent of the buy term, invest the difference, like value proposition. So I guess where I want to start with this is, one, Blake, what's kind of the opinion? What's your opinion on the debate in and of itself? And then I want to talk about whether permanent insurance is an investment or not, because that's the next debate. So it's buy term, invest the difference. We know what Dave Ramsey and other bright people are saying. The question, I think, Blake, is why are they saying it?
Well, personally, I feel like I'm not great at social media because I kind of am in both camps. You know, I don't have the clickbaity title of it's only term or it's only whole life. The reason that they would say term, and I will say, as you look at numbers of how much term insurance costs, kind of as Rod mentioned, where the costs are much lower on, say, someone who's my age, it can make sense if we're only looking at the protection that we're getting from this in your 30s, 40s, and even maybe low 50s. Term insurance can be a very cheap way to get the insurance in case something were to happen. Where whole life, it has, or any of the permanent products really, they have multiple uses. As Rod mentioned, it has cash value. It has other living benefits that you can tap into for various reasons. Now, typically, when we're setting up whole life policies, or I'll just speak personally, the whole life policies that I own for myself, a lot of times we're structuring them as a cash value accumulation type of focus. So I'm not going into it and saying, okay, I want to put in X thousands of dollars a year into this to get this death benefit. What I want to do is accumulate cash in these policies. Therefore, when we're structuring it, we want to get the least amount of death benefit possible. So the policies that I own personally, we're looking for high cash, low death benefit. So we can go into reasons why we would want the cash value accumulation. But from a death benefit standpoint, because we're overfunding and trying to get the least amount of insurance, if I were to pass away, I've got a couple young kids, right? My wife who I would want to take care of, my permanent insurance doesn't necessarily cover all of what I would want. So as I still build up more policies and my death benefit continues to grow, I own these both high cash value whole life policies, as well as I have some term insurance as well to cover, for the next 20 years or so as I continue to build my wealth, make sure no matter what happens, my family's going to be covered.
This flies in the face of everything that I've been hearing.
I can't believe what I'm
hearing. What
hearing.
you're telling me is that you have both term insurance and permanent insurance?
I thought you had to choose.
It's a crazy concept.
I don't know how you sleep at night.